Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you very much for your love and support. I really appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress and I bring it to you back to back. In this channel, we react to our videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your share and carry your popcorn, and let's deliberate on today's updates.
Okay, this is still the governorship election for Anambra State, where the election proper will start. Here we were doing our Doris in Ward 4 for Oka, the state capital for Anambra State. And who are they see for the picture now? Mrs. Omobo Angelina Odinaka, where they work as an INEC observer for one NGO where they monitor how physically challenged people where they live with disability, they vote. She dey here also to feel monitor waiting when they do. Madam Angela, tell us so far, we just see you ride in to this polling area. Tell us waiting be your experience so far.
Yes, from the experience that I gathered here, people are doing well. They provide some certain things for the persons with disability. Because I'm representing the for Access Nigeria for persons with disability. So, as I see, they prepare some certain things for persons with disability. I don't know, I've not seen them. I hope they are but they didn't provide some certain things. There are some certain things that remain, like braille ballot paper. I did see it here. And some, what do they call it, the one that the visually impaired use. It's not here. One machine. I asked them, they said it's not here. So I plead that another time they should endeavor to bring it for us, so that it will be easy for the persons with disability to cast their vote.
Okay, tell us a little about the braille paper we just talked about. The braille paper now for persons living with disability.
Yes, it's for the blinds, so that they can read it on their own. It will be written with braille.
Okay.
So that the blinds, the visually impaired people can read it on their own without anybody helping them.
But ahead of this election, these are some of the requests we want to make from INEC. Ahead of this election, these are some of the requests we want to make from INEC.
We have been making this request years ago. Some years back, we have been making this. Request, but they provided some, but they could not provide some.
Okay, but for the ones we make available, where you don't see, which ones INEC make available?
They made available this EC 40C.
Okay.
And
what in that one be?
That one helps that one is the paper that they issue to persons with disability. It enables us to get the data of the persons with disability that protect.
Okay, so you don't be here since morning, even before election starts, where we first see you. So far, you don't see say people don't come out to vote. What be your observation so far from what you don't see?
My observation is that everything is moving accordingly.
Okay.
People are trying, both the people that are casting their vote and the elected officials. They are rapport very well.
Okay, Madam Odinaka, we go still come back to you. But I want to ask, Now you there for this ward now, this polling unit as I see. When I get other members for other local government areas of Anambra State.
Our members are in other local governments and the other polling units. Each polling unit has one.
Okay. Thank you very much, madam. Okay, now so we don't hear from Madam Angela Odinaka. We're there for the Doris Inn area of Oka, Anambra State. And she, they here as an INEC observer, they check the preparation where INEC make for people where they live with disability for polling units. She been raised some concerns, especially for the ones who concern how visually impaired people will fit vote. Say INEC no provide the braille paper where people where they visually impaired will fit read then to decide on who they fit vote for. She they expect say even though that paper no dey here, it fits there for other polling units for Anambra State. She say now a request where they don't they make from INEC for a very long time now, and then we expect say them to see that request for this election for Anambra State. But unfortunately, you know, there for this ward. Some other wards where we don't go, we don't see some other physically challenged people. We don't also vote for their different polling units. But so far, the bottom line be say election they go on for Anambra State, and people come out well from what we see for the state capital Oka. People come out to come vote. Security there everywhere. The youth corps they complain say there been no security earlier, but now security don't come. And according to INEC rule, when they see none of the security men with they carry arms, now the rule of INEC, but then they on standby to make sure say them offer protection both to the ad hoc staff and to the electorate where they cast their votes, to the observers and everybody where they participate for the election. Now BBC PIDGIN Live this. Make una follow us for all our platforms on social media. On Facebook we did there, on Instagram we did there, on Twitter we did there. Make una also follow us for our website bbc.com/pidgin. Go follow our live updates on the Anambra election. We they give una all the information as it happen for all the local government areas of Anambra State. And we go there here until the final moment where them go declare the results and the winner of this election. This now Doris Inn for Oka, and also when I see here now major market area where normally crowds supposed to, but people don't obey, they don't comply with the instruction by the police. Say make no movement there for the next 24 hours from midnight of today till midnight of Sunday, when by that time everybody go down, pull out from everywhere where they go conduct the election. See, everything they orderly here. And from here we go other locations to still bring you more live updates of this election for Anambra State.
Hey, you just have to stay glued to this channel because I will be bringing it to you live and direct, back to back. And in case you forget, this news is coming to you from BBC Pidgin. I'm just here to react to this video and to share it with my audience that what is happening right now in Anambra State. If it's not video, if they did not camera this, people will say you people are lying. What you are saying is not true. There are thousands of people, there are millions of people that are out there in Anambra election, that is the governorship election, to cast their vote. But we are seeing everything back to back. People were so scared. People are so scared to come out to cast their votes because the tension that the people even have, seeing 34 army officers deployed to Anambra just to supervise this election, is already a tension to the people. All right, my wonderful family, I will keep bringing it to you the way the situation is and the way everything takes place. Please stay tuned because I will be bringing it to you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you have been enjoying all this, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For me to you, and I say bye.